In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Salesforce developer account. If you've been interested in getting started with Salesforce development but haven't yet set up your account, you're in the right place. We'll cover each step of the process, ensuring you have all the information you need to get started with your development journey. To begin, head over to the Salesforce Developer Portal. You can easily access this by entering the URL for Salesforce developers into your browser. Once you're there, take a moment to get acquainted with the resources available. This portal is a hub for developers, providing a wealth of information that you'll find useful as you progress. Next, look for the option to get a developer edition. This is a crucial step because the developer edition is specifically designed to give you access to the tools you'll need, including the latest Salesforce platform features. It's a fantastic sandbox environment for learning and experimenting without the risks associated with a live production environment. Now, let's delve into the sign-up process. You'll start by entering your first name and last name. This might seem straightforward, but make sure the information matches your official documents, as it will also appear on any certificates or official documents you might obtain later. After that, input your job title. Whether you're a seasoned developer, a student, or exploring new opportunities, being honest and specific about your role will help tailor your Salesforce experience. Then, provide a valid work email. This email should be one you check regularly, as any important updates, confirmations, and communication from Salesforce will be sent here. If you're using Salesforce for a company project, using your work email can also aid in integration with your organization. Next, enter your company name. If you're a student or individual working independently, you can input your own name or a placeholder. However, for those affiliated with an organization, it's essential to input this correctly for any future collaborations or integrations. Before you proceed, there's a crucial step involving the terms and agreements. You'll need to read through and agree to the main services agreement, developer services, and Salesforce program agreement. It includes details on the capabilities of your developer edition and how Salesforce manages your data and usage. Ensure you understand these terms to avoid any surprises down the line. Once you've reviewed the agreements, click the checkbox to accept them and complete the CAPTCHA to verify that you're not a robot. This security measure is standard practice to protect against automated signups. Finally, hit the Sign Me Up button. At this point, check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Salesforce. This will contain instructions on how to activate your account. Keep an eye on both your inbox and spam folder just in case it lands there. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Salesforce developer account. You're now ready to explore the platform, start building your apps, and join a global community of developers. Thanks for watching, and happy developing!